let's go ahead and get straight into it. We're going to be finishing up this RIPP supercharger install. Most of everything is already done. All I'll be doing now is changing out that coolant positioning, adding the blower, adding the belt, the injectors, map sensor, and then all the other little stuff. And then I'm going to be flashing the base fault onto the car. We finally got that in the other day. So like I said, we're going to go ahead and finish up this install video, and then we got some other stuff that you guys are going to be interested in seeing. And then we'll start having some fun with the car and seeing about getting it tuned. We're going to be running the SXT injectors and getting the car dialed in first, and then we'll see about throwing in all the other little mods to make this kit just a little bit more exciting. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into it. Alright, here it is, live in the flesh. We have all the tubing running all the way down through there. Then we have our blow-off valve. Right now, this is zip tied. I don't have any hose clamps, so I had to improvise. I will be grabbing hose clamps in the morning. Got the blower. I filled it up and made sure that it was good. We have the crankcase relief valve in. Then we have the coolant relocation hose. It's been made sure that it's been secured on the back side. RTV has completely dried. We have my aerated cold air intake on here with an adapter fitting right here for the vent hose, and then everything else is done like that. The rest of the piping for the intercooler, like I said, is running down through here and it is teed in. And we got the blow-off valve vacuum line running through here onto the T fitting, and the 660 cc injectors are all in. Catch can is not full, so that one is still good. And I mean, everything is put back together, so I'm gonna reflash the car and we'll see about getting the first startup. Okay, I'm nervous. First start. First start. I don't know. I'm just worried about it rubbing up against the engine block. But that was the first start. I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the wheels back on and everything. And yo, like I'm like super like shook, surprised, everything in between. Like I don't even know. This is crazy. This was a lot. It's 2:37 a.m. right now, and so I'm gonna go ahead and put the wheels back on, and we'll start it up again and see how it sounds. did it. I did it. And there ain't no better feeling right now. The car is boosted. It's good. There's no misfires. There's no issues. There's no nothing. First time, knocked it out of the park, dude. I don't even know how to. Alright, so I'll catch you guys in the next video.